Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is B Trey back at it with another quick video for y'all. And I just wanted to show you a cleaning solution, a dispenser system that is great, especially if you are just starting off your cleaning business, or if you have been in cleaning for a while and you haven't came across this unit. It is really easy to use, and we switched over to this about 2 years ago, and it's just been working great for us, our staff, and it saves me a lot of time as well. And it's just really easy. So this video is not sponsored or anything like that, but it is called TrueShot 2.0. TrueShot 2.0, and this is it right here. And the only thing you have to do is put water in here. It can be tap water, from a sink. You just put water in here, and then they have these little cartridges, little cleaning solutions right here, and you just pop it in, and you just spray, and you're all set. That's all you have to do. So they sell different types of cartridges, different cleaning solutions. So this one right here is a restroom disinfectant. So if you're cleaning a bathroom, you just put water in here, and that water will last you all day. It'll last you all day. You won't have to refill it. You just put water in here from a sink, and then once you have to clean a bathroom, or if you have to disinfect an area, you just pop this in, start spraying, you're all set. So let's say you have to clean the glass. Well, like I said, they sell multiple different cleaning solutions. So this one is called a glass and multi-surface cleaner. So in order to switch to that one, you press this button right here. Comes out really easy. Then you just put the glass multi-surface cleaner in. Voila, start spraying, you're all set. Now you can start cleaning the glass and cleaning multiple surfaces with this one. You can clean break room tables, counters, walls, anything, like that, multiple surfaces. They also sell different ones as well. So these do have a nice scent to it as well. They're not really strong, but it is a nice scent to them. So the other ones we use these. We use the glass multi-surface cleaner one. We use the restroom and disinfectant one, and we also use something called a power cleaner or a power degreaser, and that's for more tough stains that's not really coming out. Same thing. We just pop that in, spray, let it sit and dwell for a little bit, and it'll get that stain out. So this is a great system, especially if you're just starting off. I will definitely recommend this for you. It's really easy. It'll be really easy for your staff, and if you're just starting off, for you. So let me show you why we switched over. Let me put my face back here in the screen first. So I went on YouTube. This is not my video. I just wanted to show you what we were using. So we were using empty bottles, empty Zet bottles, as you can see right here. Just the empty bottles. But for the empty bottles, you will need some type of chemical like this person right here is holding, and you will also need like a connector piece in order to put the cleaning solution into the bottle. So let me just play it really quick. So this is what we were doing. See that? You have to connect it to the cleaning solution, turn the water on, get the empty bottle. Fast forward it a little bit. So you have to get the empty bottle like that, and then you'll have to press the cleaning solution right here, and it'll go into the bottle. So once that bottle runs out, your staff will have to do that, right? It'll take them a while. Obviously, you'll train them how to do that, but it takes our staff a while when we were using that. Another reason why we also switched over is when I first started my cleaning company, I was the one, I had to actually fill a lot of these bottles up and go to different locations when they were empty or almost empty. So someone would say, hey, I need glass cleaner. So I have to get the glass cleaner, fill a bottle up. Somebody else would say, hey, I need restroom cleaner. Now I have to do the restroom cleaner one and get a totally different bottle for that one, right? So I do want to say there's no right or wrong answer if you use this one or if you use the TrueShot one. Because the one that you're seeing right here on YouTube, many cleaning companies use this, right? So there's no right or wrong answer at all. So another thing you have to do as well is, you see this empty bottle, you have to label it. You have to label that bottle, all right? You have to label that bottle, and that's a requirement, that you have to label the bottle. And of course, you'll also need something called SDS sheets as well. So, but it's a requirement to label the bottle as well. So let me give you some more information on this right here, what we use. Let's see here. So as you can see right here, it's durable, as you can see. So another issue we had, so this empty bottle here, once we fill it up and you put the trigger, the trigger piece on it, right? You put the trigger piece on it. A lot of times it started messing up after like a month. It started messing up. I'm not sure if they was hanging it on the cart or anything like that, but it started to mess up. Let's see here. Let's see. Go down here. Increase productivity. So like I said, it's really fast. You can just switch them out really easy like that. Put a new one in. Really great idea. Let's keep going down. So another thing, one trigger is all you need. So instead of you having one of these for the glass, then you'll need another one for the disinfectant, then you'll need another one for something else. Instead of 3 heavy bottles with cleaning solution, you just got this one and you just switching them out. Right? Let's scroll down here a little bit. So this is the very great part right here. Okay, this right here. Okay, check this out. One of these bottles right here, right, equals about 32 of the 32 ounce or the 32 quarts bottles. So in other words, one of these equals 32 of these right here. So this will last you a while. So if you put this at a location, it's going to last a long time. It's going to last a long time, maybe 6-8 months. It's going to last a while before you'll have to get another one. So right here, see, they have different ones. This is the 3 that we use: the glass cleaner, the disinfectant, and we also use the greaser. All right, and they have other ones as well. All right, so that's pretty much it right there to show you. So yeah, so I just wanted to show everybody, if you didn't know, this is just a very really great tool that you can utilize for your cleaning business, especially if you're starting off. It's really simple. You can just put that in your trunk in case you need it, right? You won't need all of those different types of bottles, one for disinfectant, one for the glass, one for something else. This is really great, and I definitely do recommend it. Now you will also need other products. I will be doing a video on that. Excuse me. You'll eventually will need like a toilet bowl cleaner. You'll also need something to mop the floors on, things like that. And I will be doing a video on that, on the products that we use. But for now, I just wanted to, recommend that if you're just starting off, or if you've been in business for a little bit or for a while, you haven't came across that, definitely check that out. It's called TrueShot 2.0. Also, too, I'm going to leave some links down in the comment section and under the video if you're interested in the software program that our company have been using for years now. It's totally free. You can do a free trial. You can run your business really good on the software program. And with that, I really hope you have a blessed day. And don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and peace out.